Hi everyone and welcome to Perima's Kitchen. I am Selena and today I'm making tandoori chicken. You can make it in the comfort of your own home using your home oven. You can alternatively use an air fryer. I'm going to go through both methods briefly today and hopefully you will love either or. It's simply delicious, it's still flavorful and moist, and it's a quick and easy recipe. You can marinate your chicken prior, but if you don't have the time, I generally just go ahead and add all my ingredients and pop it into the oven or air fryer almost immediately. I have 1 kg of chicken today and I'm adding 2.5 tablespoons of yogurt, followed by the juice of half a lemon. Squeeze all that juices out. Remove any of the seeds and then add 2.5 teaspoons of crushed ginger and garlic. This crushed ginger and garlic does have some green chili in it, so you can add a little bit of green chili as well. Followed by 1.5 teaspoons of cumin powder, a teaspoon and a half of coriander powder, and a teaspoon and a half of garam masala. Next, add 3 teaspoons of Kashmeri chili powder, and you can decide whether you'd like to go mild or hot. Teaspoon of turmeric, salt and pepper to taste, and remember, I'm not adding any red food coloring. It is completely optional. I'm also adding some cayenne pepper, approximately a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and lastly a drizzle of olive oil. And then mix thoroughly. If you wish, you can also marinate in advance, even the day prior. You can cover it and leave it in the refrigerator, or do it directly before you want to actually make it. Usually I don't have all the time, so I generally add all of my spices and within a few minutes I pop it into the oven or the air fryer. The yogurt also helps to tenderize your chicken, and the combination of all the spices really does give you an awesome mouth-watering dish. Tandoori chicken can be enjoyed as a main meal. You can add a salad, some fries, naan or roti. You could even use it as an appetizer. It's a perfect starter. If you are popping it into the oven, make sure your oven is on and preheated at 180 degrees. First, I'm going to add it to my air fryer. Add approximately 2 tablespoons of water to the base of your air fryer. This also helps with all of the moisture, keeping it intact. You can also add a little bit of oil to your griddle. It's not necessary because I have added olive oil to the chicken itself. Spread them apart in the air fryer so there is enough airflow, allowing each and every piece to air fry properly. And to the oven dish, I'm adding some tandoori chicken as well. My oven has already been preheated. Again, spread them out evenly. onto my air fryer. I'm now going to set it at 180 degrees and we're going to pop it in for approximately 20 minutes. If you wish to remove it midway and turn it over, you can do that. It's not absolutely necessary. But in the oven, I do generally leave it in for about 35 minutes in total at 180 degrees Celsius. I do turn it over for the last 10 minutes. It also depends on the size of your chicken pieces. My air fried tandoori chicken is already ready. I'm going to pop it onto a plate and garnish with some fresh coriander. And I do like the crispiness as well. As you can see, it looks delicious. It was so moist. And as I mentioned, it's such a treat to have even as a starter. I simply enjoy it. Next, I'm going to check on my chicken in the oven. I'm turning them all over for the last 10 minutes. So 25 minutes into my oven time. Please note you need to adjust the time according to the size of your chicken pieces. And once it's crispy enough for you, you can remove and garnish with some fresh coriander. And there you have it, tandoori chicken done both in the oven as well as air fried tandoori chicken. They both taste equally as delicious. The oven recipe does take a little bit more time. It is more time consuming, but as long as the flavors are there, that's what we want. I hope you try this recipe and I really hope you enjoy it just as much as we have. As usual, all the ingredients used will be found in the drop-down description below. Please subscribe. Kindly hit the notification bell so you are notified when a new video is uploaded. Please like and share, and your comments are always very welcome. I look forward to seeing you again in Perima's kitchen. I am Selena.